Good day, welcome to multi-net design. In the continuation of our budget made in the last episode, we were able to create elevation. We have created plan, the ground floor plan, first floor plan, and every other plan that you know that okay you want to study. If you have interest in know how to study plan and want to see how we created everything, so watch all the previous video and you see the way the system in which we used to get to that level. So we are able to build some of the elevation particularly. So when you get to 3D, you are going to see something unique that you have done at this level. So this is not the end, but this is the beginning of everything we are going to be doing. So today we want to work on this elevation. So how do we do it? So this is what we want to do. So go to start elevation where the whole things are happening. So this is the start elevation as well. So the first thing that we need to have is that we need to create railings. So at this point, so what we do is that the kind of railing I want to create, I don't want to use normal thing one that I used to create. I'm going to create everything after the other. So I encourage you to be always doing that so that you can be able to have the kind of style on your whole. So you go to level 3. So at the level 3 now, you click on architecture, then components. So at the component now you say model in place. So go to this place and call it railing. So at the railing you click and say okay. So click on this railing, call it any name you want to call it. So click on create. After you have done that, so you click on sweep. So I'm going to use sweep to create that instead of extrusion. So I'm selecting this, the part. So select it, the part you want it to flow and follow to. So I've selected this and I'll click the part to which it should flow to. So click OK. So click edit profile. Edit profile. So come to west and click. So what you do here is that you select and then you bring the balustrade into place. So use the balustrade. So it depends on the height you want to give it to. So I'm going to bring it down here because it's going to be using glass for that matter. So you select it and select it up 20 thickness. Now 20 is too big. So you need to have 500 thickness. So that is okay for that. You click finish. So when you click finish now, you click finish. So everything before from that aspect. So you come to category. Then you choose for yourself what that you need to have. So select this one and say duplicate. At the duplicate, so you can use your graphics. So let it load. It's a little bit slow. So select the graphics appearance part and select the appearance here. The appearance, click on appearance again. Scroll down and you select let's say it's mirror. So when you select mirror, it's on your phone. So you select mirror or you select glass. So glass will do for you. So select the glass and use both single panel. Use that one I want to use. So I'm selecting that. So as I've chosen that now, I'm going to click. It's going to update itself for the project. So select it all. So what else do you need to do? It's already there. So what you need to do is to update itself here. After doing the updating itself, you just need to do what? Click OK and start your project confidently. So click OK. So this one is set. So what you need here now to copy this. So the copy now you push it up. Just like saying 50 more. That 50 more, edit extrusion. So when you edit extrusion, you build the profile and you edit the profile. So the profile now you delete this one. So what you do next is to select circle and create it. You have that. So select that, click. So that's it. So here the surface, you change it. At each junction, all what you need is to follow some certain principle. So it will help you to grow the whole system activities. So this one is going to be taking you a long period. So just select aluminium. So aluminum has been selected, and it's going to update itself for the use. So when aluminum is selected, you see it from here. So from here now you can copy all this one. So if you need bin for the dam, you put it there. If it's not needed, you leave it. So you go to start elevation and now see what you have created. So at this start elevation, I want to create a complete bogus entrance design towards that line. So I'm using extrusion, so model in place. So I'm going to use placement work and click OK. So you click here and then you select it. So extrusion again is what we do. So the usefulness of extrusion in this video is enormous. So what I have here, I'm going to do by creating this one. So after which I did that, so I'm going to select and set 200. So from here, I'm going to select 200. Positive. So when I do that, select 200 and positive. If it's not okay by me, I select and adjust it with both offset again. So offset here, I'm going to put 100. So without copy, that's what I want to do. So you look more bigger, look more large. So that's what I want. So click finish. At that junction, now you come to level 2, then you drag this outside to cover the whole body. So you push it in. So what is there is that it's not going to be seen on the ground floor. So from here, you click finish. So at the ground floor, you just click and just hide it up. Right. Okay. So you're just going to be seeing it on the elevation area. So this is it on the elevation. This is it on the west. So you can leave it as white. You can leave it as any color as you want it to be. So that is what we have for now. So that is the beauty of the elevation that we have created. So the adjustment of material and every other thing will follow all this principle and process. So for now, this is what we have done. So you can copy this, select again, select it, so edit in place, select it, say copy. So from this to this, so click OK. So if it's okay by you, leave it, continue it. So that is how you copy, that is how you work on a beautiful aesthetic follow and design. So that is it from this part of the elevation of design. So if you want to see something unique from your, let's say that okay, you want to work and check the perspective aspect whether it's even fitting what we are doing so far. So click like this. So at this junction, you adjust the whole process. Click and move it up. So what you do is that you click condition. So move back. At this junction, you just click and say 0, or let's say 500 or 500. So that's done. So you go back there and see. So you do see that it fits into what you want to design. So that is how we work on it. When you look at the whole baseline of the former design what we've done, you see that okay, at the right side with what we are doing so far. So you just click here and say, and you go to the surface or whatever that you want to work on. So or you can create your home by creating your architecture. You don't need to do what, duplicate it. So you duplicate this and call it size. So finish the material too, you can duplicate the material, depends on you. So you duplicate this one too and call it size. So by the time you select your material, things will happen. A lot of things will change. So for now, I'm not changing anything here. I just want to have a specific goal. So in a subsequent stream, we are going to be doing this one in complete. sensation. So we click finish here. So what we do here, we just select it in foundation. So when you look at it back in level 1, what did you see? So when you put it on the shade, so this is what you have created, and this is how it works. This is the beauty of what we've done. So our design has never been completed. Some more work has still need to be done. Transparent glass all this one not the way, but we are still going to work on them independently. So thanks for watching. This is the beauty of what we did. This is how far we can go for now. So whenever you are seeing this design, you should know that we have you in mind while we are creating all these things. So the elevation is intact. So that is what we have. God bless you for watching.